What's up, guys? I have a Bath and Body Works SAS haul to share with y'all. Just got this in the mail and I'm so excited to see what I got. Actually, I already know what I got. It's only like 2 fragrance mists. So yeah, this video is probably going to be This video is probably going to be super short, y'all. What the heck? I need a better setup. This is probably not the most safe way to do this, but y'all, I have experience, okay? I have it all under control. Just take your time. That's all you gotta do. Take your time. Okay, I think I got it open. Yes. Okay, hopefully that paper isn't okay. Let me take, because last time I almost, anyways, I don't like when they have that paper just sitting right there. Okay, this little fun bubbly stuff, and again with the tops, it's fine. Okay, so as you can see, first thing I'm going to share with you guys is this coconut cream pie fine fragrance mist. Scent notes are toasted coconut flakes, caramel crusted caramel custard, and golden pie crust. I have to smell this real quick. Hold on. Let me see. Y'all, I've been wanting to try this since it first came out, but what is that? Oh, okay. A little spritzy spritz, and let's see what we got. This smells really good. It actually kind of reminds me of Christmas cookies a little bit, but it's not exactly the same, which is good. I like to have different fragrances. But yeah, that's coconut cream pie, and we have the triple berry martini in this beautiful bubbly packaging. Y'all, I've been wanting to get this packaging with the champagne toast for a very long time, but since I have in the triple berry martini, I'm like, hopefully I really like this one, because this packaging is so nice. Like, look at this. Okay, scent notes: pomegranate juice, black raspberry liqueur, and strawberry sugar. Let's see, you guys, the moment of truth with this scent. The moment of truth. Okay. This is one of their newer scents, by the way. That's really good. Okay. You guys, I don't want to say too much, but actually, I'm going to say it. It kind of reminds me of 1,000 Christmas Wishes a little. But it's not exactly the same. Like they're related. They smell like they're related. So yeah, that's triple berry martini. And wait, crap. Triple berry martini and coconut cream pie, y'all. Let me know what you guys think of these 2 scents. I'm definitely going to be doing a review on each one, so make sure you guys look out for that video. Hopefully soon. But yeah, you guys, it's going to be the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.